Hi guys, welcome to Toys and Candy. Here we have a brand new set of fire trucks. Should we open it up and see what there's in there? Here we have a little house. There's doors that opens it. This is where the fire trucks comes out. There's another set of doors here that opens. This is where the fire truck comes out. Can you guys tell me what color this is? Is it red? Yes, it is. Okay, and we'll just put it over here. And then we have two fire trucks. Here's one of them. It has a hose here and a letter. And then we have another one. Oh, look at this one. This is cool. Two fire trucks. And then we have a police towing car. And this is black. And it says police. So if the car needs to be towed, it goes like this. And it takes the car and it tows the car. And then we have a police car. And we also have a boat. Should we open the boat? And a helicopter. Oh, look at this. Cool. Helicopter. Sometimes when there's fire, the helicopter needs to help with the fire. And it comes, and if there's big fire, the helicopter pours water down to get all the fire out. And we also have a boat. Let's get the boat out. I think the boat is stuck. Let's get the little fireman out. Here's one. And there's another one. There's three of them. And there's these little things. What color are they? They're red and white, and they're little cones. Now they go like this. And there's more of them. there's these little signs. So if there's fire, let's say there's fire over here, and this is for guarding away the people. They put it like this so that nobody gets on fire. And there's all kinds of signs. So this says slow. So if there's fire and there's a lot of police cars and a lot of fire trucks and a helicopter flying, they put up these signs that you have to stop. There's a stop one, and there's a slow, you have to drive slowly so nobody gets hurt. There's another one. This sign tells you that there's a helicopter will be flying close by. And there's more signs and more signs. And what is this, guys? So this goes like this. So if the police car got broken, it goes onto here, and the tow truck drives it away. If it can't drive, if the police car can't drive, the tow truck comes and it drives up to here, and they secure it over there like that, and it drives it away. Cool. Okay, I think we got more stuff here. There's like these little cones. And there's a lot of cones. And there's the boat. So if you guys want to see us playing with all these fire trucks and these fun towing truck and the helicopter, subscribe to my video, and I'll see you again. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.